Installing a boot media. Align the edges of the replacement boot media with the boot media socket and then gently push it into the socket. Push down on the end of the boot media to engage the blue locking button. While pushing down on the boot media, lift the blue locking button to lock the boot media in place. Close the air duct. Rotate the air duct down to the controller module. Slide the air duct toward the risers to lock it in place. Install the controller module. Refer to the video titled Installing the Controller Module for the procedure. Note: the replacement boot media that you installed does not have a boot image, so you need to transfer a boot image using a USB flash drive. Refer to the education course or the hardware installation and maintenance guide for the procedure.